Hey, how's it going, guys? For those of you keeping up on this Falcon project, I'm back with the Falcon. It was a while ago I did the trunk. I think I made a video about it, kind of showing what I did with the key and everything. But I've finally actually done the trunk, and obviously I didn't patch up everything. There's still rust holes there, but what I did is I descaled all the rust, cleaned it off. I put a patch in there and over here where it needed it. But other than that, it's not too terrible. And there's some holes over here, but it's pretty solid, and the frame underneath is pretty solid. There's a little bit of rust in the very rear of the frame, so I think eventually, ideally, I'll just take it to a shop who does that, because I don't really have a lift here to easily do that. So I'll just take it to a shop who probably works on Mustangs and who already knows that kind of drill. And when they're in here doing that, they'll probably redo all this anyway, so I just figured I don't think it's worth the time to do all that. And I didn't touch any of this either because, frankly, I don't care one bit. But what I have done is I removed the fuel tank and I made a flat plate that just bolts or self-taps into the bottom just like the original fuel tanks did. And then I made, you can see, probably better underneath here. There's the fuel setup right there. There's that fuel pump. And see, I've made the fuel lines. I could have used a 90-degree angle. I just didn't know it at the time, so I'll make do with what I have. But yeah, so I made a little protective area on the bottom of that, just like so. And then it's got the line already run into the fuel pump right there. There's the fuel pump wired up, and got the relay in the back here and running up through the rocker panel and over the wheel arch, just like the brakes do on this side, the brake lights. So yeah, and the metal I got this from had these stickers on it, so I thought I'd leave the stickers because they're kind of cool. And yeah, so progress is almost done. One thing I need to do is I need to put a vent line with a rollover vent. What I'd like to do is just run it to the original fill port here if I can, but we'll just have to see. So yeah, there's that.